drip, like the fit, yeah, yeah. They like the drip, they like the fit, yeah, yeah. They like the drip, they like the fit, yeah, yeah. They like the drip, they like the fit, yeah, yeah. Bigger the bands, I'm gone. Shorty will fall in love. Telling me I ain't shit, yeah, but I got it wrong. Now she love my vibe, yeah. She think I am wrong. She think that I'm the one, yeah, but I'm not from one. They call me.
Yo, 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 what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, The Lanes, back with another YouTube video. And I'ma make this a quick, short, simple Travis Scott preset tutorial. First thing first, you wanna, hold up. First, you gonna make a new preset. That's what you always gotta do. You don't know what I'm talking about, just watch. That's how you make your new preset. Real simple, real easy. But let's get into the video. You wanna put your bass all the way to the left. And then move your treble up only a little bit. Not too much, but just enough. And then for the master effect, you wanna go for echo, you want ambient delay or dark quarter note echo. And for reverb, you want cath draw. Now for the plugins and EQs, always have your noise gate on. You want enhanced tuning on. For all you, I screenshot this. You want the flanger mix on 50%, the intensity on 29.0%, the rate on 0.500 hertz, and the feedback on 11. For all reverb, all you have to do is just put it on the small room if you want to. Put on the small room for like the vocals, and then you can put on a large room or large hall for the ad-libs, like yeah, that type of stuff. Next, we go to visual EQ. I move on to the compressor. Don't worry. Visual EQ, 200 hertz, negative 24 dB. You could change the mid or you could keep it. You could change the mid all the way to the 50 area right here. Now for the treble, you want on 5,000, positive 8.5 for the gain. Frequency on 5,000, 8.5 on the gain. For compressor, you want the compressor threshold on negative 12 dB, the ratio on 2.1. I don't know what you call that thing right there, I don't really know. But the attack, you want it on 15 ms, the gain on 0.0 dB, and the mix on 1.0. And basically that's all it is for the Travis Scott preset. So if you like that video right there, a little quick tutorial, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, And let me know what y'all think on that song snippet. Also, if you want the Travis Scott preset to sound better, all you have to do is go and buy Auto Tune Mobile. It's in the app store for $5. I've not promoted them, you know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you. But alright, that's it for the tutorial.